In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a bundle product on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. A bundle product on Gumroad allows you to sell multiple products together as one package for a single price. This is useful for courses, templates, ebooks, software packs, or special discounted offers. Now, if you want to create a bundle product on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your dashboard and open the products section. After that, click the new product button. Then, select bundle as the product type. Now, enter the name of your bundle product. After that, choose the existing products you want to include inside the bundle. You can combine multiple digital products together and offer them under one single listing. Then, set the pricing for the bundle product. Many creators use bundle pricing to offer discounts compared to buying products individually. After that, customize the bundle page by adding descriptions, cover images, previews, and product details. Then, review your bundle settings carefully and make sure all included products are correct. Once everything looks good, click Save or Publish to activate the bundle product. Now, customers visiting your Gumroad page will be able to purchase all bundled products together in a single checkout. Usually, bundle setup issues happen because products were not selected correctly or the bundle settings were not saved properly. So carefully review the configuration before publishing. That's it. By creating a bundle product properly on Gumroad, you can package multiple products together and increase your sales more effectively.